Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Today, I'm taking you through my realistic weekly planning routine as a business owner. This isn't about the perfect aesthetic. It's about how I actually sit down, map out my week, and make sure both businesses and family life fit together without the stress. Step 1, the brain dump. I start by writing down everything in my head, deadlines, client tasks, school events, personal errands. Getting it all out clears the mental clutter and gives me a great starting point for the week ahead. Step 2, top 3 priorities. I highlight the 3 things that, if done this week, will make me feel successful. For me, I usually pick one business project, one personal project, and something to do with my family. Here are some examples. For business, it could be mapping out all of the holiday promos that I want to do for my lash business. For personal, it can be to deep clean and declutter my office to get it all ready for the busy holiday season. I do tend to spend more time in there packaging orders during the holidays. And then for family, it can be something as simple as cooking dinner, home cooked meals 5 days a week. So those are 3 examples, and you know what? I might actually use them for this week's goals. Step 3. I know we've talked a lot about time blocking, but we're going to day block. So we're basically going to take our 3 goals and break them down into manageable tasks that we will put in individual days. This way, we know exactly when we are doing our daily plan from our weekly plan, what we need to focus on certain days of the week. So I will take my brain dump and priorities and then just block them into my calendar. I start with non-negotiables like my meetings that are time sensitive, school pickup, school drop off, and then I will fill in the rest of the tasks. And then of course, leaving some space throughout the week for the unexpected. So I like to fill my Monday through Wednesday, and then I leave Thursday and Friday open because I do know that more tasks will be coming in and filling those days as the week goes on. And step 4, this doesn't happen every single week, and this may not even happen for you if you are not a content creator or don't work in marketing, but that is content planning. I check my Google Sheet. That is a content calendar that I created. I will link it down below and you will see it here, but it helps me to make sure I know what needs to be posted, what still needs to be created. This also helps me batch my content and avoid last minute scrambling. Step 5, family and home prep. I'll glance at my son's school schedule, his sports schedule, add in any family events. Then I will add in my work events, and then I meal plan. Meal planning, I absolutely love doing this on the weekend. Generally, I do it on Sunday, but if I'm busy on Sunday, I'll do it on Saturday. If I'm busy on Saturday, I'll do it on Friday. You get the picture. But I like to pull different recipes from Google and from the grocery store app, and then I will put all the ingredients I need into a shopping cart, whether it be on walmart.com or our local grocery store. And this way, everything is in motion and I am not going crazy come midweek. Step 6 is going to be setting up my daily pages. I don't always do this, and you don't have to necessarily do this, but I find when I do this, I stick to my schedule and my planning routine 100% of the time, versus if I don't, I'll probably stick to it like 85%. So I do like to put the dates up in my undated planner, write in non-negotiables or time-sensitive tasks, write in what I'm making for dinner that night, just so when I open my planner for the day, I know exactly what I need to do at what time, what my main focus for the day is, as well as what I'm going to be making for dinner in case I need to pull anything out of the freezer. And that's how I realistically plan my week as a business owner. I do this so that I am not feeling overwhelmed. No picture perfect spreads, just a simple system that helps me stay productive while balancing everything on my plate. Of course, I use colored pens. Sometimes I use highlighters. I do like things to stand out to me, but all in all, this doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be done. And I know I've been sharing a lot of weekly plan with me's because I do them every single week. And as I do them, I tweak them. And that's what you'll see in these videos as well. So if you've watched a previous weekly plan with me and it looks a little bit different now, that's because I'm always honing in on making things better, making things easier, and just doing things that I find overall work well. I don't like to be stressed out. I don't know anybody who does. I don't like to feel overwhelmed. I don't like to become short-tempered because I have so much stuff going on, which I do have so much stuff going on. It's just organized very well and planned strategically. If this video inspired you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more planning routines, productivity tips, and behind the scenes of running multiple businesses. Drop a comment and let me know, what's one thing you always add to your weekly plan? Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again for being here. Appreciate you very much. Bye.